Welcome to this lesson on optimizing model settings for different use cases. We'll explore how to adjust the temperature and top P settings to achieve optimal results for various tasks. Let's dive in. Imagine that you're working for a brand new startup. The team is small, and everyone wears multiple hats to keep things running smoothly. As the company prepares for an upcoming campaign, you find yourself juggling different roles, from marketing to data analysis. You can't manage everything alone, so you'll have to leverage the OpenAI API to assist with the different tasks. Your first assignment comes from the Chief Marketing Officer, who needs you to brainstorm and suggest fresh campaign ideas. For this task, you'll need your AI assistant to be as creative as possible, sometimes even thinking outside the box. To achieve this, we'll set the temperature a bit higher to 1.1 and top P to 1. This configuration allows the model to take risks and generate unexpected, experimental ideas. Of course, this means the output might be a bit wild at times, but that's often where true creativity begins. Now that you've come up with a campaign idea, you'll need to create a marketing copy, which will also require some proofreading. You'll want the model to be more precise, but with a bit of finesse in the output. So, we'll dial the temperature down to 0.3 and set top P to 0.5. This configuration strikes a balance. It keeps the model mostly on track, following grammar rules and maintaining clarity, but still allows for a touch of elegance in phrasing. Great! We now have the campaign idea, blog post, and articles done using our models. But now the marketing director has developed a new concept. Why not include a coding challenge in this campaign? The software developer has already crafted some challenges. Your new task is to evaluate these by solving them. So, let's configure our model. We need the LLM to have laser focus and deliver clean and reliable code. That's why we'll keep both the temperature and the top P at 0.3. This setup is ideal for generating code snippets, solving programming challenges, or automating simple scripts. Great job! The marketing campaign was successful, and now the company is left with a huge amount of data that needs to be analyzed. The goal is to identify the ideas that delivered great results and the ones that were less effective so that the marketing team can improve their approach for the next campaign. We'll use our model again, but this time, accuracy is even more crucial. Even the slightest error could lead to significant miscalculations. To ensure precision, we'll reduce the variability further by setting the temperature to 0.2 and top P to 0.1. This setup ensures the AI delivers precise and consistent results, making it ideal for data-oriented tasks like scripting and SQL querying. After analyzing the data, you've gained valuable insights, and now you've received an email from the CEO. It's time to present your findings to all the managers. To prepare for the presentation, you've decided to use AI again to help you summarize the information, which you'll transform into a report. In these cases, you want the AI to remain accurate, while being flexible enough to make content more readable. Here, a temperature of 0.3 and a top P of 0.5 strikes the right balance. It ensures the output is precise while still allowing the AI to make thoughtful adjustments. You did a fantastic job with the presentation, impressing the CEO. As a reward, you've been entrusted with an exciting new project, designing a chatbot that can answer potential customer questions in a natural and human-like way. We want the interactions to be engaging and dynamic, so we set the temperature and top P to 1. This way, you allow the chatbot to generate varied and dynamic replies, making the conversation feel more human-like. With all your hard work, you've become the real MVP of the startup. Thanks to your skills and clever use of AI to tackle every challenge thrown in your way, the company is now thriving and has hit an all-time high in revenue. To conclude, tasks that require logical thinking, such as coding, benefit from lower temperature and top P settings to ensure precision and consistency. Conversely, Tasks that thrive on creativity should have higher temperatures and top P settings for greater experimentation and originality. Feel free to experiment with different settings to find what best suits your use case. Alright everyone, the next lesson will be on the exciting topic of prompt engineering. See you there.